This is a warning to all PI network pioneers. The founder of the PI network, Nicholas Kokkalis, has issued a final warning to everyone who owns the PI network. The warning relates to the eagerly anticipated shifts area and the KYC. And since we are all anticipating the launch of this platform, this is a video you cannot afford to miss. We bring you all the latest updates on the Pi network and other cryptocurrency news, so you can support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe button for future update on the Pi network. Without further ado, let's get to the video. The fact that the platform didn't launch when the development team predicted it would have disappointed a lot of people made people more excited about the project. So when you hear about the Pi network, you might want to leave because you're used to feeling let down. But there is a good update coming, so please don't leave. In my previous video, I said that Kokkalis was the man behind the project. The development team has been careful not to give specific release dates because of what happened last year. So it looks like we might be able to trust Kokkalis' estimate before March 14th. It's not as clear as we would like, but it's clearer than anything we've heard in a long time, so I guess you could say it's a step in the right direction, but this isn't really a step in the right direction. The development team said that the Pi network will launch in March or by the end of the year 2023, but it seems Kokkalis hinted at it. For example, I know that saying a platform will be live before March is not the same as saying when it will be live. The first set of roads I gift the world will connect the Pi network successfully, Kokkalis said. If you know that we have sent you a KYC invitation and you have not submitted, you have 2 weeks to do so. And if you refuse to submit your KYC by then, they will no longer accept your KYC. This is as a result that a lot of people have been sent a KYC invitation for a very long time, and still yet a lot of people have not applied for it. While other people are waiting for the KYC. So if you have not submitted by 2 weeks' time starting from February 20th to March 6th, your PI coins will no longer migrate to the mainnet. So I encourage you to do so before the date, so you won't lose your hard-earned Pi coins. There are many things to comprehend here. The longer version is actually much more interesting because the first thing he said was, this does not mean that the platform will work immediately either, since it is the first in a series. It is important that we try to keep our hopes and checks until the date is released. That's what Kokkalis meant when he said the Pi network would be released before the end of 2023. I hope the lead developer will actually release the Pi network this year. The core team raised the alarm about this in particular, and he said he believes a campaign of fear. As a result, what needs to be done to establish the importance of Pi? Should the Pi core team try to list the token on an exchange, or should we buy as many Pi tokens as possible? Does it involve getting people to use the platform in some way, or can you wait until it runs? Does it include making plans for projects that can start once the platform is up and running? Just after it was reported that the Pi network is launching soon, Binance CEOs also has an urgent message for the Pi network community that might have a very positive impact on the value of the token. If you have any interest in Pi, I'll be answering these questions in today's video, and I'll be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about the Pi network, and how there is still a good chance you could become a millionaire from the Pi coin. If you hold a Pi network, you need to listen to this as well. One is the urgent message Binance has sent to the Pi network pioneers and how it will affect the value of the coin. Before we discuss our topic, let's look at the price and see how the price of the Pi network is doing on February 17th, shall we? Today's Pi network price is approximately 83%. Please note that these prices are not the official price of the coin. This is a coin tracking price, and it may have changed by the time you watch this video. Pi network has a circulating supply of over 50 million coins, but this number is decreasing every day due to the mainnet launch. The token started with a total supply of 10 million coins. The recent decline in Pi network mining, which investors appear to be less concerned about despite these negative indicators, this event has occurred. This can be considered a positive indicator for Pi as it suggests that the market attitude about the token is improving. The mining volume of Pi has significantly decreased, indicating that investors are growing more interested in the token. As a result, some investors have approached the token with caution because its price performance can be unpredictable. However, the recent decrease in mining side volume suggests that investors are growing more optimistic about the potential of the token overall. As the PI network will be burned so that it may add more value to the coin, it is understandable why people are placing large bets on the PI. In the long run, this is a very good sign because it means that PI will only need a lower market cap to hit $1 in price. If you're still watching, please click the like button. It costs nothing and really supports the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the Binance price. According to the PI Network core team, the PI Network will be more than just a coin. Pi Network will also enable consumers to release actual, genuine PI coin-branded goods. Users can demonstrate their commitment to a brand by selecting quality alternatives. PI-oriented goods. Also, anyone can design their own community-run, independent of the PI development team, platforms. As we embark on this journey together in a society that was previously distrustful, the blog claims that the only centralized aspect of the PI network is a core system and corresponding interface that allows us to foster real trust, as well as a number of validators and delegators that keep the system decentralized and functional. The common values which are burn, protect, help, and flourish are also mentioned by the PI core team and the new developer. Kokalis has stated that every project on the system would take part, which is a feature that many fans have been anticipating. The project was originally scheduled to be released on March 14th. Nevertheless, he did say that the network will be released before March 2023, but that being said, if the invite is here, the launch must be very near now, as it appears that we might see PI Network Layer 2 solution in a few months, if not earlier. Let's get to the primary point of the video for today. Binance will begin trading the PI coin in new markets against the dollar. The top exchange in the world by daily trading volume has made an important statement for the PI network community by launching a new trading pair for the well-known cryptocurrency Binance. Recently, it would launch a new trading pair for customers in new versus the US dollar. The PI coin will benefit from the increased availability and accessibility of the well-known cryptocurrency, with a canine motif for users who want to trade it against the US dollar. Binance is reportedly planning to add PI into their exchange, which would have a very favorable impact on their value and ultimately increase the PI network's popularity and worth. Binance is once again demonstrating its support for the coin. Since they trust in the developers and the real-world value will ship, many of our subscribers mention that they won't sell over the next 5 years and will hold millions of them. If you enjoy this video, please give it a large thumbs up. And mention how many PI you hold in the comments section. Turn on the notifications to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts on the PI token in the comments and investment advice. Advice on finances, trading, or anything else before making any investment decisions. You should conduct your own research, speak with a financial professional, and do not treat any of the content as such.